Actual 22B. Real life shit. I have to record on my phone because my camera SD card is in my car. I didn't want to go get it. But it is what it is. The phone will work. The phone quality is good. Actual 22B. Holy. Jesus, man. What is life? What is life, brother? What is life right now? Huh? Thanks. You want to go for a ride? No. I want to live in this thing. You might. You might. This is real life in a 22B. Recording on my phone because my camera SD card is in my car. I'm not gonna go get it.
About a year for this.
Yeah, literally, because you took forever. You took forever. I had to wait. This 22B is in my hometown. No, not disclosing shit. But this 22B is here, and I'm fucking loving life right now. Jesus Christ. It's too much. Exterior shot time. Real life. I didn't even get the number, but there it is. Boom. Super quiet. All right, Doc. See you later.
Oh look, a package has arrived. Let's see what's inside. What? What could it be? What could it possibly be? Oh, it's sealed. I didn't see that coming. Kitty, can you give me my knife under your, under your body? Because my keys are right here. Okay, ready to see what's inside? Oh. Flowchart. Papers. Sticker. What? Injectors? Did we just go bigger injectors already after a tune? Oh, shucks. With a new pack of lube and new set of injectors. Ooh, buddy. Fun fact, these are not actually new injectors. You see this? This little pintle cap? Okay, so on my set of DW injectors, I said I had an issue, right, with already after the tune. So on my set of injectors, ran fine, got tuned, everything was okay. Kitty, get out of that FedEx bag. Everything was fine until one day I started up the car, cold start. E85 cold start's a little rough sometimes, right? This was more than rough. I was like, something's off. So what I did was started logging my cylinder roughness, and cylinder 3 was just all the way up to 99, all the way up to 99, kept resetting. I was like, well, maybe I fouled a plug already. Maybe it's coil pack, Swap those around. Cylinder 3 still. Swapped injectors from cylinder 3 to cylinder 1. Only to find out when I pulled cylinder 3, the pintle cap was missing. So I guess it somehow fell off. I contacted DW. I was like, hey, I was having issues. Pulled the injectors. My pintle cap on cylinder 3, the one that was giving me an issue, was missing. They're like, okay, send it back, we'll replace it. Then before they hung up the phone, they're like, wait, just send them all back. So I sent them all back. They replaced all the caps, cleaned them up, flow tested them once again, and just to make sure they were actually flowing properly, and we're all good. So all 4 caps were replaced just in case, they said. So we are going to toss these back on, toss the tune back on, plug in our boost controller again, our Grim Speed one, plug in the flex fuel kit because I don't plug that to run my stage 2 map again, and throw them back on. Took about a week for them to get there and come back, literally almost a week exactly, actually. Yeah, for them to get there and come back, which wasn't bad. I had to pay shipping there, but they paid it back, so they 2-dayed it to me, luckily. But that's the only issue I had. Once that cap went missing, the car just started misfiring like crazy. But I then did putting new plugs in the car. I put them anyways. I replaced them while I had them out. So I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna replace the plugs I'm not gonna pull the plugs out and then not replace them. So I just bought 4 new plugs, replaced those, And what else did we do? Compression tested again because I just wanted to make sure nothing happened, because I know some fuel did get into the cylinders because it was just spraying and leaking. So compression tested again after I had my stock injectors back on and the oil change, because I changed the oil. You know, if you get an injector leak, you need to change your oil because you will get fuel into the cylinders. So what I did was pull all the plugs, crank the car over, and unplug the fuel pump, crank the car over. But then the fuel did come out of cylinder 3, by the way, and spit everything out and let it sit overnight. Next day, drain the oil. After all the oil came out, some E85 came out right after it. And then, oh, sorry, my arm's getting tired. And then put my stock injectors back on, new plugs, coils back in position, started the car up. All cylinder roughness gone. Compression tested again, all cylinders 120. Now on a cold engine, 120 psi on a cold engine, because obviously I didn't start it yet. Well, actually I did start it, but I didn't warm it up. That was on me. But yeah, so if the car was warm, the numbers would have been a lot higher. But it's fine. 120. They were all 120 across the board, and I'm happy about that. So we are going to go install these again, put our tune back on, and probably go fill up the car because I could use some E85. So the last thing to do in this car is to, look, it's me, hello, is to reflash our tune back on. Cruise control light flashing, bitch, because it's TGVs, because the TGV's not plugged in, obviously, because we have the flex fuel kit. So whenever my export decides to turn on, we will get this map. Oh, there it is, reflashed. I should just connect the test mode cables right now, because I know I'm gonna have to. Oh, shit. Hey, look at me. Let's go to tune, change ECU map. Let's see, ECU reflash, and there's me, flex fuel kit. It's gonna tell me to plug in test connectors, yada yada yada. There it is. Nope. Here's a fun fact about this. While this map flashes, let me just say this: I don't have much battery left. I have 1 bar, but I've never actually driven this car on 91 on my tune. I have 91 in the car right now. I have about a little over a quarter tank left, maybe like 3/8 of a tank left. I have some E85 in a jug behind me that I want to see the ethanol content of my 91. It's probably like 10% like normal, but then I'm gonna put that E85 back in the tank because I siphoned it out when I put my stock injectors back on, because you know you can get running 85 with stock injectors and setup. But yeah, I'm gonna pump that back in the car after I want to see the E10 or whatever it is. And because since the injectors have been out for that last week, I haven't even gone through a full tank. I just topped it off with, I think, like 10 gallons. I had 2 5-gallon jugs. Topped it off with whatever is that. It wasn't a full tank. It was almost a full tank. It was pretty close. So it just pretty much took out as much E85 as I could. Topped it off with 91, and it's been running fine. The car's been running fine, but we ain't got time for those stock injector stage 2 map. It's time to get our good map back. Run some 91 for a little bit. I wanted to get as low as possible before I top off with the 85 actually, but I'm just gonna drop that. It's probably like 4 gallons of E85 back in the car. Drive around with that, and once my tank is completely empty, we'll fill back up with the 85. Okay, first of all, don't be a dumbass like me and forget to plug in one injector. I started the car and it was running really rough. Looked out to make sure there was a leak, make sure there was no leaks, and I had one injector unplugged, shut it off, plugged it back in, and of course fires right back up like normal. But I have 34% ethanol. I don't know how my car was running fine on the stock injectors with a little bit of ethanol in it, but I got most of it out. Like legit, I had like super low, like super duper low on gas, and I topped it off with 91. So maybe that's why I was running okay. But apparently I have 33% ethanol, so I'm gonna top off, well, 34% now. I'm gonna top off the car with the rest of the ethanol that I have, and then I will go for a drive because I need some food and I'm really hungry. So that little bit of ethanol we had put us up to about 41, 42%. And here, word of advice. if you ever take your fuel cap door off, make sure you remember how the little clip goes, because I put it upside down so my door wouldn't open. Had to jam a couple screwdrivers in there, pull the lever, and then it just popped open. Flip the clip around, bend it up back just a little bit, and then tighten it back up, and now it opens. Okay, so now I need to get some food and probably wrap this up already, even though it's gonna be a shorter video. I had to explain the issue we had. Now we're back to E42. It's gonna be on E42 until this tank runs out. I'm almost half a tank. I got a little bit closer to half a tank than I would have had before. It was only like 3 gallons of E85, so I didn't expect it to do too much. But okay, food time.
Hello, and me, and welcome back to the end of a video. Right, Kitty? Kitty's behind me. I almost kicked him right now by accident. Oh shit! It is. What time is it? 12 a.m. I'm editing this video. Spoiler alert! There it is on Discord, talking to everybody. And this is how we are outroing our video. I didn't really record much after that. I kind of just did stuff because that injector really annoyed the hell out of me. And I installed the injector, and so far so good. If this, what have I done? What have I really done? I'm getting off topic here already. I made my car louder. Next video I'll show that. I made my car. Oh, I'm zooming in on me. Ooh, I made my car louder, and that now it sounds really nice again. So that's always a plus. You see at the end of these videos, when I wait too long to edit, I forget what I did. And let me tell you why it took so long to edit. I actually got a cold, and yeah, that sucked. I couldn't talk. I lost my voice, so I was like trying to speak, and I couldn't talk. That was a fun week. It was like a week of that, and then the next week what was I doing? I was just tired. My body was recovering from whatever cold I had, and I was only sick for like a few days, but my body was recovering, so I was just really tired all the time, and I still at work and shit. And that kitty cat right here, hey buddy. But either way, we are done with this video. I am gonna put this clip on there now, toss out the ending picture, and we are saying goodnight and goodbye. I'm literally just relaxing on my chair right now because I'm tired. I'm trying not to ramble on, but I can't help it. You know how I am. I rant and ramble and explain things and yada yada yada. But I hope that's why you like me. Okay, so let's quit Warhead. I was MIA because I was sick, but now I'm back. I don't think I have anything recorded actually. I don't know. I don't have anything recorded, but I will record something this weekend, and I have more stories. Someone got a new car, which I'm talking to right now actually. Someone got a new car. What else did we do? I don't remember what else we did. All I know is someone got a new car. We'll show that next video. That'll be fun. Well, until then, Kitty, let's say goodbye to the people. Come here, buddy. But until then, me and Kitty Cat will say goodbye and good night. Say bye, Kitty. Say bye to the people. Bye. Good night. He's like, nope. Kitty, look. It's you. Put your paw over there. Bye. Bye.